Well, I'm in Maringá on a quiet Saturday afternoon. I'm gonna explore the park a bit here, which is like the main big thing to do in the city, I think. Apparently it's a university town, so there's a lot of parties, but I don't want to do that really. Just gonna go in the park. This was nice. Kijk eens. Look at that. Very sweet. I think it's like sugar cane or something. Very sweet. I really don't know what to do here. I just got told to come here, but it seems like a nice park. This is something I've been really enjoying about Brazil, about how well everything is organized. Like a park like this, for example, with free bathrooms or whatever, you will not find this in a lot of places in Brazil or in South America. So yeah, man, it feels like it's it feels like this country is well organized, and I don't want to shit on other countries, but you know, if you go to other, I love Bolivia, I love Peru, but you will not see that there. Love to see some of these. I'm gonna walk around this lake. Look at this. That's funny though. I'm not sure you're supposed to feed them crisps. Okay. These, huh? Ah, sim, eu gosto de uma coxinha. Coxinha? Sim, é do...
Tem de carne bovina ou frango?
De carne.
Carne. Tem.
I've had better. It looks like it's gonna rain, so a good time to be arriving at the home. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do in Maringá, but I'll let you know if there's something special. I'm gonna do some training. It's been a while. Look, here's the park. Maringá is so nice. Cardio is gonna suck. He's here, Apollo. There you go. Alright, cool. Alright, Maringá. Ok. Olá.
Olá, boa tarde, tá querendo?
Olha assim, eu gosto menu do Crispy Chicken Bacon Ranch. Olá. Sim, com crédito.
Crédito?
Sim. Tá? I'm not even liking it that much. I don't know. I was better in my mind. I'm gonna eat something healthy tonight.